10, Gen 2 top end, single turbo. It's 8285, 6R80. He's running two cars. He's running this car. It's a Midnight Performance, twin turbo. The owner of this car used to have a pretty fast Hellcat. Now he got this. I'm not sure if it's a built motor. I think it's a stock motor built trans, if I remember correctly. I think they're doing a 60 roll. So 10R for 6R. This car's pretty bad too. This is a 4.6 built motor, Texas block. He's going FL2K, so we'll be getting his race. Alright, you're on the left. You're good. This is Gen 1 built bottom end, Gen 2 top end. It's an 8285 turbo, 6R80. It's a New Edge Mustang. I already got one of his races on the channel, but today's race is something fast. It's a Gen 3 turbo. And it's a 10R.